Hello music lovers! Today I'll show you step by step how to easily install the YouTube Music app on your computer. First, open your Google Chrome browser, type YouTube Music into the search bar and click on the first result to go to the site. To install the app, click the computer icon in the top right corner and then click Install, and that's it. As you can see, YouTube Music has now opened as a standalone application, separate from your browser. A shortcut has also been added to our desktop. You can double-click this icon for instant access to your music. For even easier access, you can right-click the app icon on the taskbar and select the Pin to Taskbar option. Now, without needing to open your browser, you can directly launch YouTube Music with a single click and enjoy your favorite songs and playlists. So, installing YouTube Music on your computer is just that simple. Share with us in the comments. You can support us by liking the video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.